welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Erin and I do mostly budgeting videos like the one you're about to see here. Alright, I'm back into it. Oh my goodness, I have gone through so many iterations of how I should handle this channel and my principles and all that, but I'm back at it. I have the August budget kit ready. I'm going to share it with you, and I don't know, we're going to try to get organized, and then we'll move forward with the rest of the monthly videos. So I wanted to just mention that I had this bright idea that I was going to sell direct my printables instead of, I was going to bypass Etsy, all that. It didn't work out. But that's okay. So what I'm going to do for now is I'm going to start building my library, putting my past printables in there, because when the month was over, I always made them unavailable, no longer available. But I'm going to create a library, and then I'm going to do a membership portion to my channel as soon as I'm able to. I don't even know if there's criteria you have to meet first, because my videos have been inconsistent, so I don't have the subscribers or the watch time, but I'm gonna have to look into that. But eventually I'll be making a membership portion to my channel. It'll be very nominal. It'll be like maybe the price of one budget kit. And I'm going to give you then access to the library, and then I'm going to continuously put new printables and things like that in there, so you constantly have new formats and planner sheets and things like that to utilize. So what I'm working on right now, after I talk about this, I'm working on a Christmas planner. If you're like me, I know that you like to kind of get your money plans in order well in advance. That way Christmas isn't so financially taxing. But yeah, I'm working on my Christmas planner. I'm almost finished with it. And then that will be available to you as well. All right, so this is my monthly planner that I purchased on Amazon, and this is just to keep me straight on my channel. So I have that, and in here I printed out and I put it in here just so it wouldn't get bent. So I think I put it in here. Should I stick it in here? Where's my budget kit? Because we need to talk about it. What the heck? So a little bit of life update. We had to put down our baby Stella last Thursday. She was, oh my gosh. She was 15 this month. Oh, here we go. And her body was just giving out. She didn't have cancer. She didn't have anything like that. She was even still eating, but she was in a lot of pain. She had degenerative disc disease and a lot of sad issues that unfortunately there was no fix for. So like I said, she was 15 this month, and we had her since she was 1. She was surrendered because she was originally owned by an old woman who bit off more than she could chew with a puppy. And her loss was our gain. So she had surrendered Stella, and we got her at, like I said, she was about 1 year old. Maybe not even quite. She wasn't fixed yet. So she was my baby. We had 3 pugs at once for more than a decade. And they were our original dogs, from our marriage that my husband and I had gotten together. And I am devastated, absolutely devastated, because Stella was my favorite. She was the most loving, sweet, tried to give you hugs. She was just an angel. She was there for me when my mom passed last year. My mom loved her. It was a whole thing. So it was very, very difficult. Well, let's talk about something less depressing, and that is my August budget kit. And it is very Italy inspired. I think these patterns are very like the coast of Italy, the Mediterranean, limes, lemons, oranges. So this is the cover. And here's the inside. I kept this very simplistic. I didn't want to decorate it too much because I wanted you to be able to have lots of space for your own decorations, your own stickers, and also I wanted you to have lots of space to make notes in the margins. I do that a lot. And then here is our monthly budget planner on one page. So the colors, again, they kind of go with the whole theme. And then we have 5 paycheck budget breakdowns because sometimes people get paid on Fridays and there's a 5th Friday in the month. Sometimes people get paid on Tuesdays. You know, it just depends. Or you have multiple streams of income. So I give you 5 of these as usual. And then after that, we have our sinking funds. And this is something that you can utilize for if you have sinking funds, or you can just utilize it for savings, whatever is more convenient. But you do have a page for that. And then here's your monthly goals, and you can capture budget, health, home, and work. So lots of space for you to track some things, and then you can check them off at the end of the month if you actually achieved or completed them. Here's your August spending tracker. So some of us spend more than that, some of us spend less. I don't think this is necessarily for your bills because I do provide you with a bill tracker, but this is like maybe, I don't know, you went out and you bought clothes, or you bought things for your dog, or, you know, just whatever spending that you want to actually track. This is your no spend challenge. So you can color in these flags if you are somebody who likes to do a no spend challenge. I've never successfully been able to do one of those for an entire month. So this isn't like really my thing, but you know, cause like little stuff comes up and I buy like iced tea almost daily, you know, before work, whatever. So I don't think that this is like for everybody, but a lot of people love it. And then down here, you can actually post your total number of no spend days, you know. Over here is your $3,000 savings challenge. Now, again, this is something that you can use and carry over month to month because nobody expects you to save $3,000 in the month of August or in any one month. But you can put your starting date up here, saving for whatever it is, and then you can either cross off with a Sharpie or color in with a different color all of your blocks. It starts out at 10, it ends at 50. If you did color in all of these, you would have $3,000. It's lofty. It's a big goal, but if you didn't finish it, say, you know, if you started in August, maybe you would carry over and color in the blocks again in September, and maybe you would finish it next June, next August, who knows? But it's kind of a fun thing to use if you're just trying to save extra. And then here is your bill payment schematic. So that's why I said you don't really need to track your bills on your spending tracker because you have an entire page for this. Now we have a lot of variable expenses and fixed expenses. I use this for the fixed only. And honestly, we have a lot of fixed expenses in my opinion, but I don't think it's more than the average person, but to me, it's just a lot. So I think this is really nice to be able to track that here. And then back here is a debt tracker. Now you can print out extra copies of this if you want to. There's room for 2 debts. You put the name of your debt, the balance, and the date, and then you have date, payment, and balance. So you can kind of go down here and make as many payments as you want during the month, you know, and just keep track of it that way. And then here is your August dinner plan, and there's room for 4 weeks. So obviously, there's only 28 squares. That's not really going to cover an entire month, but unless we're in February, an average February. But, you know, you can divide these into 2 or, you know, whatever, but however you want to do it, or you could print out extra copies of this. And then back here is your monthly recap. So you can recap your budget. You can recap your entire month. You can use it as a Dear Diary. You can use it as a burn book. You can put all your complaints there or all the people you're complaining about. You can do whatever the heck you want. You can treat this planner as your main planner. You can treat it as your budget planner. You can try it out if you haven't been somebody who has done a monthly budget before. Maybe you know your numbers and you just kind of go through the motions. It really is helpful still to track them, whether you're doing it on paper or whether you're doing it digitally. I mean, whichever works for you. If you request this from me, I will give you access to it as soon as possible. And you can save it to your desktop. And if you have Adobe Acrobat or another type of app, you can make it a fillable PDF. So then you can actually use this as a digital piece, or you can print it out like I did. I printed out on standard 8.5 by 11 copy paper. Make sure that you choose double-sided. And if this is too much ink for you, as far as color ink goes, print it out in grayscale. You know, whatever works for you. I use my Happy Planner hole punch because I have a tool notebook cover with Happy Planner discs. They're interchangeable. So if you have one, it's going to work with the other. This is my budget planner. I've been using it since I think 2018. I got it at Office Max. The brand is Tool, T-U-L. It might even still be linked in my description. I have no idea. But it has really been a great purchase. It is leather. That's not for everybody. Not everybody likes to buy leather products, but I picked it up because I liked it. And they do carry it intermittently. So if they don't have it right now at Office Max or Staples or Office Depot, they'll get it back. Guaranteed. I've been watching them do it for years. So that is it. I'm going to be back with my monthly budget. I'm going to plot out my month's bill payments. I'm going to do all those fun things. And I hope that you will follow along. I mean, if you are asking me for the principle, please subscribe. I'm not going to force you to subscribe, obviously, but I would appreciate it because it supports me and it gives me the motivation to keep going. It seems like whenever I upload a video, I end up losing a lot of people. And I know that that's just part of the YouTube game, and I get it. Not for everybody, but you know, it has been for me. So if you can support me by liking this video and subscribing to my channel, that helps me immensely. And in turn, I would like to help you by sharing. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope I see you guys in my next one.